Well, hello there. I'm Ree with WTI, and I finally found the perfect beach hat for so many reasons. First of all, look at how beautiful it is. I love the little knot right there. I love the details. It's just so perfectly woven. But the star of the hat is actually what you can't see, and that is the way that they have designed this to pull in so that you can make it exactly tight against your head. I was able to wear it on a very bumpy boat ride, incredibly windy, and it never blew off my head. And just in case, it does have little pull straps here, so you can just pull it right against your chin if you like, or you can put them up and keep them up in there. The other thing I really liked is it is really packable. It was literally packed like this in my suitcase, and look at how great and fantastic it kept its shape. I'm telling you, this is the perfect hat for the beach or the pool or anywhere you feel like going. It's just super comfortable and super cute, and it's the perfect hat. I'm just super in love with it, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.